Hi, how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make tasty mashed potato. So let's go and I'll show you how. Okay, this recipe is super easy. I have my potatoes here. I've chopped them up. They're in all equal sizes. I have cold water in my pot. I always start with cold water because you want the potatoes to cook from the outside in, and I have 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder that I've already put in, and I'm going to cook the potatoes until they're ready for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, now the potatoes are cooked, I'm going to mash them. So I have drained them, now I'm going to mash them, and I'm going to add a dob of butter. I'm going to add some sliced, diced onions. My dad used to love onions in his mashed potato. I'm going to put some pepper, some salt, and a dash of milk. Now I'm going to mash it together. Alrighty, now it's time to taste the mashed potato. Can't wait. Love the mashed potato. Super tasty and delicious. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers! Yum.